1 year ago, on Labor Day weekend, devastating wildfires flared up in East Texas that would eventually torch more than 50,000 acres of land. The series of fires destroyed more than 60 homes and took the lives of a mother and her young daughter near Gladewater. Dennis Lawson and his wife Brenda lived just a stone's throw from where those two were killed. On Sunday that weekend, the Lawsons were on their way home from church when a fire truck passed them and they began to see smoke. Dennis says at that time he had a feeling in his stomach that told him something wasn't right.
So I tried to come in from go all the way around and come in the back way, and of course it was about 75-foot flames down there, and I couldn't get through, so I was worried about my neighbors.
The couple's home where they had lived for 16 years was destroyed. In the days that followed, the Lawsons stayed with their pastor as Dennis worked to convert what was once his tool shed into a 12-foot by 20-foot home for he and his wife.
When we first moved back out here, it was almost at a time part of me didn't want to come back out here. But then again, you know, it's sometimes you gotta face things straight on. I came out here and I worked rebuilding, trying to work on this, electric, plumbing, and everything, and trying to piece something back together.
Dennis says he still thinks about his neighbors who didn't escape the fires, but he is grateful for the home he and his wife have, and he finds hope in leaning on his faith.
I feel oftentimes think about but I'm blessed, my wife's blessed, and my neighbor's blessed, you know. You know, we sometimes get busy in our schedule, you know, people that are working and everything, we don't just talk as much, but, you know, I know they're thankful for being able to carry on their daily lives. Just being thankful. God is good, you know.